Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope all of you are doing well. I want to use this opportunity to thank all those who have subscribed to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, my name is Ferdinand and I do offer mobile phone education on how to troubleshoot and solve different kinds of mobile phone problems or issues like a dead mobile phone, backlight problems, network problems, and so on. And also I offer practical sections. If you check my channel, you see. And in this channel, I'm also showing you that you don't necessarily need to have all the tools, you see, all the professional tools in order to start or to solve these kinds of problems like backlight issues, network, and so on. So you don't need to have all these professional tools. Like me, I don't have any of them, but still I can still solve the problem to a certain degree. So all you need is a little bit of knowledge, because if you have the knowledge, it will help you to know the problem and how you can try to solve these problems, even though we don't have professional tools. Like when I say professional tools, like a DC power supply, original hot air gun, microscope, see, and a schematic diagram. All these tools, I don't have them, but still, you can still solve to a certain degree, like 50%, if you have the knowledge. The knowledge is very important. So if you check in my channel, you see that I have given some lessons on different sections on on a mobile phone or the motherboard of a mobile phone. So, like I said, you don't really need to have all these tools, but if you have the knowledge, you can start like keep it like a goal. You can start setting something aside so that with time you can buy those tools. So, in most cases, I used to solve this problem only by using you need to have a multimeter, and your local hot air gun. With that, you can still at least go to a certain level, though you cannot solve all the problems. For example, if you don't have an original hot air gun schematic diagram, there are certain issues like reballing the CPU, eMMC, and then tracing some certain points, jumper points in the mobile phone or the motherboard. You will not be able to, like me, because of not that you cannot do it, or not that I cannot do it, but because we don't have the professional tools like those big technicians who have those tools to be able to solve those problems. Okay, so what we are going to see today is we are going to look at this PCB. So we are going to look at this PCB. We are going to be talking about the backlight section of a mobile phone. Like you can see in this PCB, this is the backlight section of this motherboard. So this problem of backlight has become very common, and in this PCB we are going to see how you can troubleshoot step by step, even though you don't have all those professional tools. What are the steps you need to take if, for example, a customer comes and says his phone is not having switching on but not having the light. So you switch your phone on, you see the graphics, the image, but the light is not there so as to increase that image for you to see clearly. So let's get into this PCB and see how what we can do or what should be done.